Yes, AGM Borges, we are a family-owned company, now in the fourth generation. We started our company in 1877, and we are very focused in quality and not huge quantities. We produce around 400,000 liters of Madeira wine. We are very well known, especially for our Social wines that have won several gold medals, and for the Malvasias. And in the recent years, we have tried to open a new market segment for Madeira for the young generation. So now our Madeiras are even used in cocktails that young people, 25 years old and above, are starting to enjoy Madeiras also with ice, with some lemon skins, and opening a new market segment for a traditional fortified wine that normally is drink as an aperitif or together with cheeses or desserts. Our winery is in the center of town. We use the traditional winery maturation process that we still use, not modern technology, and that gave us a much better control of the quality of our wines. In the past years, we have invested also in new production assembly lines with automatic lines for the new size of bottles, especially for harvest ones, which are in 0.5 liters, which you can see in Germany in Grinchens, and which are very well known for their exquisite, delicious and delicate taste. You will find, when you taste our Madeiras, you will find the taste of nuts, curries, exquisite spices, and with a special acidity that is a unique taste of our Borges Madeiras.